Hemant Sai has secured first position from 6G2. Ade, Kudan.
Kundan has secured second position from 6G2.
Ramachandra Prasad has secured first position from 6G3.
Manaha has secured second position from 6G3.
Hemant has secured first position from 6G4.
Sanvita has secured second position from 6G4.
Sanvi has secured first position from 7G1.
Banu Chandar has secured second position from 7G1.
Harshavardhan Reddy has secured first position from 7G2.
Shahida has secured second position from 7G2.
Yashashvi has secured first position from 7G3.
Lirisha has secured second position from 7G3.
Shibani has secured first position from 8G1.
Sharu has secured second position from 8G1.
Kirtana has secured first position from 8G2.
Bhagyashri has secured second position from 8G2.
Aradhya Prashasta has secured first position from 8G3.
Manya has secured second position from 8G3.
Even Fauzan Sheikh has secured second position from 8G3. Dheeraj has secured first position from 8G4.
Vamshika has secured second position from 8G4. Vamshika has secured second position from 8G4.
Meenakshi Sri has secured first position from 8G1.
Levi Ephraim has secured second position from 9G1.
Abhiram Naidu has secured first position from 9G2.
Muhammad Rihan has secured second position from 9G2.
Venkatadhar has secured first position from 9G3.
Chaitanya Priya has secured second position from 9G3.
Divesh has secured second position from 9G3.
Now I call upon principal sir and the dais to give the attendance proper.
Likith Naidu has secured first position from 10G1.
Saeed Ahmad has secured second position from 10G1. Aditya Raj has secured first position from 10G2.
Varun Kumar Reddy has secured second position from 10G2.
Now I call upon principal sir onto the dais to give attendance toppers prizes. Thank you, Murli sir. Abdul Rahman has secured first position from 6G1.
Kushal Sai has secured first position from 6G2.
Isra has secured first position from 6G3.
Hemant now. Went already.
Hemant has secured secured first position from 6G4.
Kavya Shri has secured first position from 6G4.
Trisha has secured first position from 6G4.
Sanvi has secured first position from 7G1.
Varshita Reddy has secured first position from 7G2.
Dishita has secured first position from 7G3.
8G1.
Akshara has secured first position from 8G1.
Bhagyashri has secured first position from 8G2.
Mokshashvi has secured first position from 8G3.
Dheeraj has secured first position from 8G4.
Janvi has secured first position from 9G1.
Balaji has secured first position from 9G2.
Janardhan has secured first position from 9G3.
Saeed Ahmad has secured first position from 10G1.
Varun Kumar Reddy has secured first position from 10G2.
Parents, please give them a big round of applause.
Thank you, sir.
This initiative has been designed to uncover exceptional capability and to celebrate extraordinary talent among our students.
Through this platform, students have showcased phenomenal abilities ranging from Rubik's Cube mastery, hula hoop performances, beatboxing, rapping, tongue twisters to academic brilliance in physics, mathematics, and even recalling 118 elements in sequence.
Before we reveal the winner, let's acknowledge every participant whose enthusiasm and determination made this competition truly remarkable. Each one of you deserves immense appreciation. To present this honor, I respectfully invite Mrs. Saujanya Mamgaru to come on to the dais and present the awards. We welcome you, ma'am.
And now the much awaited announcement. The winner of the Sriveda Book of Records Award is Nayan Tej from Class 8. We request him to kindly come forward and receive this prestigious award.
Books are not just pages, they are gateways to wisdom, shaping perspectives and igniting imaginations. Across generations, they have been a powerful force in refining minds and enriching lives.
And within the spirits, the art of book reviewing stands as a true reflection of insight and depth. Today, we acknowledge students who have displayed keen perception, thoughtful analysis, and intellectual sharpness. Now, I invite P. Navyasri from grade 4G2 to receive her award. And R. Gayatri from grade 7G2 to receive her award. And Shahida from grade 7G2. And Mahania. And SP Vaibhav Tej brother from class 10. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the champions who have played for state level and turned their hard work into victory and made us proud.
Now I invite National Football Championship Raju Srihas Reddy Class 9G1. He has represented in Madhya Pradesh. Next, V Neha Reddy Class 9G2.
N. Moksha Reddy has national football champion from class 9G1.
S. Roshini Taj from Class 5G2.
Aliza from class 5G2.
Thank you, ma'am, for presenting the awards.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at one of the most highly anticipated and defining moments of this evening, the Cockhouse Trophy. This honor represents a year-long journey of grit, unity and competitive spirit.
Throughout the academic year, our houses Akash, Agni, Prudvi and Trishul have displayed fierce determination and remarkable coordination across academics, sports and co-curricular areas.
These contests are not merely about winning. They shape character, resilience and leadership, excellence and today. One house stands above the rest, having demonstrated dominance, consistency and team synergy.
To present this prestigious trophy, I respectfully invite Mrs. Saujanya ma'am, the guiding force behind this institution, to kindly give the award to the winning house.
I also request our Principal Sir B. Upendra Reddy Garu, Vice Principal Sir Murli Garu and Saujanya ma'am to please join us.
The moment has arrived. The anticipation is at its peak. Can you guess which house will be crowned with this prestigious honor? Yes, you are right. And the house that has outshone and outclassed all others is Prithvi House.
A phenomenal display of team strength and relentless effort. I invite the students and house teachers to come forward and receive the trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the most awaited event, cultural program.
Thank you, sir, for presenting this prestigious honor and encouraging such outstanding spirit.
Gentlemen, it's time for the most awaited event. Let's start our cultural programs.
Classical dance is not just movement, it is language of expression, a story told through grace.
Every step has meaning, every gesture speaks, and every expression touches the soul.
Rooted in tradition and rich culture, this art form connects us to our heritage.
Now get ready to witness a beautiful solo performance where rhythm meets expression and grace meets devotion.
Let's welcome this mesmerizing classical dance performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give